Hello everyone, I am Padmavati. So today I am going to explain the projection of equilateral triangle. Okay, so here is the question. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with one of its edges on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Draw the projections. So here a equilateral lamina is given, triangular lamina, and the side of the triangle is 25, and as it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal to 25 mm, right? And this is resting on the horizontal plane with one of its edges. So we have to rest the lamina on horizontal plane on one of its edge such that this lamina or the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. So we have to incline the plane to a horizontal plane by an angle 60 degree, and the edge on which it rests, that is on which edge it is resting, so that edge should be inclined to VP at 60 degree. So now I am going to draw the lamina over here. So before that, draw the XY line. So this is the XY line. So here they have given lamina is resting on horizontal plane. So according to first angle projection, so that is lamina is resting in first quadrant. So in the first quadrant, PP is above the XY line, HP is below the XY line, and here it is resting on one of its edge. So I am resting the edge at the left side. So draw a 25 mm line over here, which is representing the side of a triangle 25. Okay, and then so construction of an equilateral triangle, the inner angle will be equal to 60 degree. From this end point, measure 60 degree angle, and from this end point measure 60 degree angle, or else you can also draw the triangular lamina by the arc method. So in the compass, take 25 mm, same as the sides of a triangle are equal, take 25 mm radius over here, cut with the arc. So from this end, take 25 mm radius, cut the arc. From this end point, take the 25 mm radius again, cut the arc. You will get the intersection point, then join it, you will get the triangular lamina. So I will name these corners as A, B and C. Okay, now so this triangle, as it is resting on horizontal plane, so in the top view, that is here I am taking it in the top view. So this is vertical plane and here it is horizontal plane, lamina is rested over here, right? So in the top view it looks like a equilateral triangle, so I have drawn the equilateral triangle. But in the front view, so this is the front view. So in the front view it looks like a line over here. So how to draw it? Just draw the projection line till it intersects the XY line, then from B point. So in the front view we can see A and B. So C is not visible, so I am writing A dash in the bracket C dash. In the vertical plane we are representing the notations with the dash. So A is visible and A dash. As C is invisible, so C is written in the bracket, and here it is B. So in the VP it is written by B dash, and in the front view it is looking like a line. I can see only the AB side, so this AB side is highlighted in the front view. So this is about the first position. Next, so lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. As the lamina is resting in HP, we have to show the HP inclination first and then the VP inclination. So this HP inclination we can see it in VP. So I am going to draw the line which is at 60 degree over here. Measure an angle of 60 degree and draw the line. So this line here which is there, that I am going to rotate it so that the lamina will be making an angle of 60 degree inclination. So when I rotate it over here, this point which is on the XY line, that will be A dash in the bracket C dash. Take the length of this A dash, B dash in the compass, cut with the arc on the line which you have drawn. Cut it over here. So this point will give the B dash. Then join it. So this line, it is nothing but the A dash B dash line where it is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Now to draw the top view of this position when it is inclined to HP at 60 degree. So draw the projection lines. So here it is A dash and C dash. So you have to join A to A and C to C. So for that, draw the horizontal projection line, vertical projection line. C is here, C is here. So this point will give the C point. Then A is here, extend the projection line A from vertical plane, A from horizontal plane, that will give the A. Then B, so draw the horizontal projection line from B and B over here, which gives the intersection which will give the B point. Then join the ABC corners, so that will give you the lamina, triangular lamina. This is about the second position when the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Now the edge on which it rests, so here it is resting on one of its edge. So we have rested this edge at the left side, and so when it is resting on the edge, when we are tilting the lamina, it will be resting on one of its edge. So this edge should be made inclined to VP at 60 degree. So inclination to VP, that is seen in the top view. So the top view is drawn in HP. Now, so here the edge on which it is resting, that should be inclined to VP at 60 degree. So this can be seen in the top view as it is inclined to VP. So if I consider this as the vertical plane, so it is making an angle of 60 degree over here. So this distance or this angle can be seen from the top view, and we are going to draw the top view in the horizontal plane. So for that, draw the line which is at 60 degree. Draw the line which is at 60 degree, and here they have mentioned the edge on which it is resting, or on which it is resting, that is inclined. So the resting edge is AC, and here we have to take the dimensions of the second position, where so we have obtained this by making the surface incline at 60 degree to horizontal plane. So here in the first position, it is the side is 25 mm, and here after tilting by 60 degree to the horizontal plane, so there is no change in the length. So because of that, we are copying it directly to the third position. So this AC, it is of 25 mm. I am just taking this and rotating it over here. When I rotate it, so this will be the side where it is C and A of 25 mm length. Then in the compass, measure AB. So this will not be equal to 25 because of this inclination, 60 degree inclination. So AB